Tori, look. Tori. They really look alike in my eyes. Yes, they do. Aww. Look at that. Aww. Aww. They're all peaceful. I know. Look at that. He doesn't know where his hands are. Something. I see another supermodel. He likes the camera. His name is Louis.
Lewis is gonna sneeze in a minute.
Say hello, Tori. Aww. Wow. Aww. She holding his hand. She got some nails on her.
We're gonna hold hands.
Oh.